This Patreon ride was so awesome. It was hard as hell. It was long as hell. It was cold as hell. It was everything as hell. I'm actually here in my hotel room in Sedona at the Sedona Mountain Bike Festival, kind of, sort of. I've been riding with Sid and Mackie. You guys will see those videos soon, but I had to get this demo video done. I hadn't freaking got to it. I was doing that big live stream. Excuses, excuses. This is also a very similar, exact same layout as when I stayed here last year in Sedona, and I got food poisoning, so it's almost like a weird, what do they call it, PTSD kind of thing, but it's fine. I'm good. I'm healthy. The fajitas last year fucked me up, so I only got one ride in last year, but this is good. Phoenix a couple days ago, Sedona today, Sedona tomorrow. Who knows what's next? So I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you for supporting me. I've had a lot of people join up recently. I appreciate it. You're here. You make this happen. Donations, big or small, it's what keeps this thing going. Let's get into it. It is a nice chilly day in the Santa Cruz Mountains, and it is time for another Patreon ride. I think there's going to be quite a few people, and I'm hiding out in my car right now because it's so damn cold. We've got like 30 minutes until we take off, so I'm just going to chill here and not get too cold. All right, we've got a turnout. Hell yeah. Let's get rolling, boys. No women. Sausage fest. All right, let's do this thing.
So I go on down to Austin, Texas, and I bring the cold and the snow.
Yeah.
Now I come on down to Santa Cruz, and it's 0 degrees Celsius.
Yeah. It is what it is. Hey, what's up, man? Nice to meet you, Orby. I've been hearing about you.
Yeah.
We got Lone Ranger.
Yeah.
We got MTB Flow Rider. We got Mig.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. It's fucking cold.
Yeah, it is really cold.
Oh, you should have worn the winter handout.
I don't have them. They didn't send them to me.
I'm not going to tell you what my Garmin says right now.
29?
That's what it says.
Yeah. I've only seen one Yeti so far.
We're in Santa Cruz, come on.
Damn. A lot of complainers. We're out here. This is California cold. Man, I was looking through like my old videos, and like you were like in one, like it wasn't maybe the 5th or 6th video I think that I ever did. Like when we hung out, did the Santa Cruz thing.
Did you see? That was like even before you went to Whistler.
Yeah, yeah. And I was looking, because I was only doing like one a week basically then, maybe. So like that was pretty cool. Now you're on the beast here.
Yeah.
Digging it? Really? Oh man, never good enough. The climb has been really good. I'm nice and warm now. Anybody's bike break yet?
Don't say that. Why did you say that?
Bike breaker. Feels like it's gonna break my bike.
Mine feels solid.
Ah, oh, no way. Really?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Woo. Look at that feature. That skinny to a drop back there. That was cool. I didn't do it. I'm just saying it was cool. I'm gonna chase Alex Chamberlain for half a second.
Okay.
Are you a little self-conscious?
I am a little bit.
Oh, he's gone. Woo! Oh, nice. That's the end of that. I forgot how big Alex Chamberlain is. He's freaking like 6'2". Big boy. Dude, that corner was sweet. I was just like, ooh. You dug it right in. That was great.
A lot of it, like, you just smack the back tire a lot.
Uh-huh.
It's bad for the wheel. It's the only way to turn it. I mean,
Yeah. I learned a thing or two. Oh. All right. I'm going to stay on the trail. All right.
I'll follow you down.
Cool. Oh shit. A BK line. That's deep. Oh!
Yeah. Oh, the dust. Woo. See if I can keep up with this guy. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! The downhill workout. Oh, I didn't go high enough. Woo. Oh yeah. Yeah. You're looking pretty smooth, my man. How'd you like that, Ryan?
That was great, man.
Super cool. A little too much brake. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, what a workout. Glorious. Yeah. Am I slowing you down?
No, you're good.
Okay. Woo! Yeah. Everything's tight now. Oh man, full on. That's about friggin' 180 beats per minute right now. Trying to do a little no brakes, but then you're in too deep. You gotta grab them. Nice. That was that. Spectacular-oso. Awesome.
That was one of the best sections.
Nice. I was too worn out. Once you're out of gas, then it's like tough, yeah. I made myself like stop and just like, okay. Looks like Tom drew first blood here.
Oh my God, yeah, every time.
I promised an ass kicker. Many asses were kicked, including mine. I'm trying to keep up with this son of a bitch. The last time I did this ride, I was riding with Evan and Isaac and one of their buddies, just friggin' getting toasted on this thing. It was like hot, and where you would just see them off in the distance. Today I'm doing pretty good, but there's always somebody faster. Flannel management with the Lone Ranger. Yeah.
That's a good climb.
Oh, big time. Well, how many guys I didn't count how many people we had, but now we're the only ones. It's so funny how it's like the barometer of fitness, like everyone's little spot. Rolling again. Legs are nice and tight. Alex gonna take me down here. Try to keep it between the ditches. Motherfucker. God damn it, I could have done that. Fuck. Psych out. Dude, that's so nice. They're built well. Got that one. That was pretty easy. They're all like that. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bam. Oh, nice. Holy shit. Oh. Oh. Nice. Ah. Holy moly. You're riding smooth, dude. It's still going. Woo! That was great. How'd you like it, James?
Oh, that was good. I like that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'd like to come back.
Yes,
Now
of
that I've
course.
seen it once.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you say, Miguelito?
I was here Thursday. I did it.
Ah, it's old news to him.
All right. So you took all the jumps and shit then.
We done it. Look at this. Chris took the initiative.
I have a bunch of drinks. Help yourself.
Yeah.
There's.
Ooh, nice. Classic. How was it? What do you say?
It was all right.
Underplay it.
It was red.
Yeah.
Yeah, good time, man.
19.4. Hey, shut up! I'm just kidding, Meg. It's okay. Hey, thanks everybody for coming out. That was awesome. I didn't get a head count or anything, but it was really, really good. Just absolutely fantastic. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you on the trail.